Alright, here we have the Sears 52-inch ceiling fan. I'm at Nick's house. Figured I'd video some of the fans while I'm here, so...
With a new in-box Hunter spotlight kit.
Actually looks really good on this. It's got a 3-way pull chain. Started on low. I think that's low. Apparently this was new in box.
It's just dirty because we run it non-stop out here.
Makes a pretty good garage fan, not gonna lie. The spotlights are kind of cool. It looks really good. Medium.
Low speed's pretty much useless.
Medium wasn't too bad. Yeah, medium moved some air. Not too bad for the high. A little bit wobbly, but moves decent air. Not anything mind-blowing, but it's not bad.
It's just there.
And pretty much. And we'll spin down. I'll turn that light off. It does not help anything. I don't know if I'll get the whole coast down, but we'll try and get some of it anyway. This fan actually fits this garage really well. It's like something you would actually see in a house like this.
Typical like 2000s garage fan.
This actually fits the room better than the Laguna did. So remember you had a Laguna here for a while.
That's in my storage unit. I'm kind of tempted to sell that thing.
I
don't know yet.
Then you had an Incon here, which I don't think I videoed that. But
the damn thing caught fire.
Jesus Christ.
I got that for free in Anderson and had it up for a little while and it caught fire. It literally started fucking smoking and caught fire out here. So I took it down and then that's when I had the Laguna. Then after the Laguna, it's been this thing.
I remember I had an SMC that blew up on me once.
But I don't know what my next garage fan out here would be.
I don't know if I keep this here. It looks pretty good
I'm
here.
going to keep this here. It doesn't need a good cleaning, but I'll probably do that sometime this week.
Well, it's about done spinning.
I spun it, and it ain't spinning.
I done spun it, and it's still freaking spinning. Alright, well, there's the Sears ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and God bless.